If you're looking for dogs toys by Mighty Dog Toys, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets lovers' most popular dogs toys by Mighty Dog Toys. Number 1, most popular by Mighty Dog Toys. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Mighty Dog Toys. Number 3. For more details about these dogs toys, just click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by Mighty Dog Toys. Find these dogs toys by Mighty Dog Toys at up to 70% off by clicking the circle in the corner. Number 6. Number 7. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8. Number 9. Discover more dogs toys by Mighty Dog Toys. Ideas and items to explore, click the description below. Number 10, by Tuffy.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.